How to change date of birth on your Epic Games account with your laptop or with any browser on your Epic Games account. For this, I'm opening my Edge browser here on my laptop and search for Epic Games. Click on official website where you can log in using your email ID and your password. As you can see, this is the homepage of Epic Games. There is an option on the right to simply log into your account using Google, using Facebook, using Apple, using Steam, or anything. I'm simply using my Google account to log into my Epic Games. Click on that, continue it, and now I'm logged in to my game account. Right now, you have to simply click on yes, sign in, or if you have an account, you can click on create account option. Here you can see there's an option to create your account, enter your date of birth. You simply have to create a second account on your Epic Games in order to simply edit your date of birth. Now, I have created an account with my name, my date of birth, and all the details here. I will enter the name and continue here. As you can see, after logging to my account here, you cannot see any option to edit your date of birth. So what you have to do is simply create a second account with your email ID. You have to simply enter a new email ID. Then you have to enter a new password. Then create a separately different account from the previous one. And in this account, while signing it, you have to follow the same process and enter the correct date of birth of yours. This is the video.